Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fikri Mustafa Ramzi. I will present this about a narrative text. For academic speaking, rector is Prof. Dr. Masahid Hadi, MPD. First, we have six learning objects. Number one is to identify a fable as narrative. Second is the, to understand the definition, the generic structure, and the language of feature of fable. Number three is to process, interpret, and evaluate information of table. Number four, to identify and explain the meaning of low frequency word and new word in fable. Number five is to present ideas related to plot development in a fable in the form of presentation and class discussion. Number six is to understand non-price report speech and adverbs. Okay. Next is what is narrative text? Narrative text is a kind of text to retell the imaginative or factual story that presents. Narrative text is a type of imaginative or factual text about the past, which a series of events or stories from the time to time are described chronologically. Uh, uh, un- for narrative text, we have a much genre. For one is I will describe about genre of narrative text. First is fable or fable. The fable is that tell about animals. Second is legend. A legend is a story that tells a local belief that has been passed down from generation to generation, which make it a legend. Uh, Third is a myth. Story or myth that are considered factual or true. And much more is folk tale. Stories told from generation to generation have become a community tradition. Next is fairy tale. For fairy tale is children's story that contain element of magic for the character and have a moral message in the end for people. The target for fairy tale is a children. The next is love story. A love story was content in a struggle to gain the love of the character to the main character. Next, we have more about genre in of narrative text, like a science fiction. Science fiction is tell about sci-fi technology, and future technology in the science fiction. And next is genre history. Genre history is tell about a story like old story and have a legend like myth or nothing. Horror is about ghosts or folk story with a ghost. Slice of life is next is slice of life. Slice of life is like a normal life with a little bit romance. And next is personal experience. Personal experience is what are you doing and what are you experience and telling about yourself with experience that will make personal experience. The next is the purpose of narrative text. First is to entertain the readers, and two is to test moral value. Third is to amuse the reader, and fourth is to change social opinion. Generic structure of narrative text. Orientation, setting of a scan, and introduce of the character. It answers the question, who, when, what, and where. Next is communication. a central problem or complication including situation, activities, or event that lead problem to the climax. Resolution. The complication is resolved. It's on the end of the story, so a happy ending. Next is generic structure of narrative text. Orientation, setting of a scan and introduce of the character. Okay, generic structure of the narrative text, optional ya. Evolution, the stepping back to evaluate the story, the moral message of the story. Like fairy tale, have moral story like a coda. Next is coda, change of the character of this change of the character of listen or value of the story. Next is reorientation, the ending of the story. What the ending meaning and what is the moral message from the story. Is it good or is it not good? Next is example of narrative text. So balik, we have orientation, complication, and resolution. First is orientation. The orientation is like once a fisherman named Batara Guru Sahala left in Bataklan. One day he caught a fish. To his surprise, he found that the fish could talk. It begged Sahala to set it free. Sahala did accordingly. As soon as the fish was free, it changed into a woman. She was so beautiful that the fisherman fell in love with her at once. He asked her to marry him. The woman agreed to marry Sahala. However, she told him that he must never let out the secret of she was on a fish. Sahala promised her that he would not tell anyone about it. That is orientation. The opening of story, this orientation. Next is complication. Complication and meaning of about the conflict. Focus the conflict. Complication is they were happy married and have had two daughters. Every morning, Sahala went out fishing. His daughter would bring him his lunch. One day, however, instead of bringing the food to their father, the girl ate it. When Sahala learned what they had done with his meal, he got very angry. He told them, saying, "You behave exactly like daughter of fish." The girl did not understand what their father meant. They went home and asked their mother about it. Then they told her what he said. She was very annoyed. Although Sahala apologized to her later, she would not forgive him for breaking his promise. The complicated is about conflict. Conflict. This conflict is you behave exactly like daughter of a fish. The meaning of conflict. And the resolution is the earth began to tremble, and volcanoes started to erupt. The earth cracked from the big hole. People said it's become like Toba. Okay, next is language feature of narrative text. Use adverb of time. Example: once upon a time, one day, etc. Like a legend or a myth or a fairy tale. For the first story, the author will say once upon a time or one day she have one doing or blah 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 like that. The second is specific character. Example Cinderella, Snow White, Alibaba. The specific character meaning main character they have a struggle, conflict, or many 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 problem for the solve like Snow White, Cinderella, Alibaba. Next is use direct speech. It is to make the story lively. To the next page, use present tense. Example: Snow White said, "My name is Snow White." Like a POV, personal, first, first POV ya. First POV is personal of character view. Uh, okay. Next is language feature narrative text. Use of adjective to describe the people, animal, or thing in the theory. Example: nice, diligent, keen-hearted man, and anything. Next is connective and conjunction to sequence event through time. Example, however, although later than when exited. Okay, next is language feature of narrative text. Use past tense. Example, Ajisaka went to the kingdom, measure the size of the turban. Next is use action verb. Example, stood, explain, provided, smiled, saying. Next is saying and thinking verb to indicate what character are feeling thinking. Three of this is very important for the story because it is too lively, or the main character will be live. Like the story will be meaningful and live. Like Ajisaka when is went to the kingdom. What Ajisaka doing in the kingdom? Measure the size of the turban. It's very important for the story. Okay, thanks. It is for me. My name is Fikri Mustafa Ramzi. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.